bike ride.
It's on video too.
There's Amelia, Melissa, Ethan. Good morning, people of the grid. We're here at Myra Canyon. We've got my unstolen bike that's unloved, except by me. No. And then we got the rental bikes. Tammy and Samantha had to go to the washroom. They're getting that done. And then we've got a nice big, it's a couple hours. We're gonna ride in, we're gonna take our time.
Yeah.
We're gonna ride back. Does your water bottle fit?
It's a bit tight, but yeah.
Okay, we'll put it in if it fits.
Fill this up with this water?
Yeah, go ahead. It's gonna be a good day. Weather's nice, sun's shining. There's Tammy. What happened?
There was a wasp.
It's not a wasp, it's a bee.
No,
like your new bike?
It works. It's functional and it's good.
It'll get us through the day, that's
Yeah,
right.
I'm so glad we get to go.
We just met some nice people here from Texas. So
Oh, nice.
if you do come to Kelowna and you don't bring your bikes with you, there's an outfit up here that rents them. It's called
Myra Canyon Rentals.
Myra, M-Y-R-A, Canyon Bike Rentals. Go to their website, book the
tours.
bikes, book a few days in advance. They got tons of bikes, so
And they're in good shape.
they are. They're not exactly mountain bikes.
That's okay. We're not really mountain biking.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go on the ride.
Let's go.
Look at that picture down there.
Can you take a photo for me?
Yeah.
That'd be such a good paint.
Look, you can see the train trestles way over there. There's one there, one there. There's one right here. This is so nice. We haven't even gotten to the first train trestle. It's amazing. There's a race going on here today too, so there's a bunch of riders that are, I don't know which way they're going. That guy's in the race, but he's going the wrong way. Everybody else is going the other way. Yeah, well. These are telegraph poles. Oh, they used to. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Careful, Lissa. Yeah, she almost like fell off the mountain. Is there a nice view up there?
Not really.
Check those out. Those are nice.
Well, now
Wee
you got a lot.
little raspberries. Oh my gosh, they're just little, hey?
Do you want them?
That's we rode over there, right?
Yeah, we came from all the way over there.
We need to debrief the interweb about this. Here we go. Crash.
Can you demonstrate on the bridge?
We leave her behind for like 30 seconds
Don't
and
leave
she
me behind.
she
You've been
wrecks
leaving her
herself.
behind
Look,
the entire ride.
wrecked her elbow and you got your leg sore. Down to the blood. So explain to us what happened. I wasn't nowhere near this. I had nothing to do with this.
There was a lady passing me and her friend had already passed, so I was going to let her by. So I went to put my foot down and then I realized there was a hole there because it's a bridge and it has trestles. And my foot went through the hole and I used my knee to stop the rest of me from falling.
All those years of bike training down the toilet.
That had nothing to do with the bike. This is all me. Oh well.
On your left. Started. I'm so glad they rebuilt it. It was 2003 was the big fire that took a lot of them down. And then they came in. Look at that. They were working in the winter time.
You can ride it all the way to Oliver.
Rebuilding it so that lots of people can come and enjoy it. There was a lot of people on the trail. We're past the halfway mark. We just pit stopped for some nice lunch. And now we've got the ride back. It's cold out here. It's 12 degrees Celsius. I'll convert that to Fahrenheit, but it's chilly. Too chilly to be not wearing a jacket and shorts. It's warmer than 26 Fahrenheit? No, I don't think so. Definitely chilly. My fingers are so numb. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful ride though. I think we're going to try and do this every year. It's so nice. We'll figure out the new bike situation and come out and do it every year. It is just an amazing trail.
We can do this thing together. We can
How's your ride going, Amelia?
My back hurts.
Your back hurts? How about you, Tim?
It's going good. Oh, my hair is crazy. Come on, Ethan. Hang on.
Oh, oh.
Ethan, look longingly into the
It's not wild how dark it looks in there.
Ethan, stop sticking at your list.
One tunnel is a lot longer. I think this is the shorter one. The first one was pretty long. Whew. Such a nice ride. We're pretty close to the end. I think we have 3 kilometers left on a total of, what'd you say, about 22-ish?
Yeah.
Which is about 16 miles, 17 miles almost. Such a nice ride. If you're ever in the neighborhood, you got to do this.
And they have bikes to rent.
You got bikes to rent. You can even hike it. Lots of people are walking the trail. Yep.
It's a long hike.
Oh, considering we haven't ridden bikes a whole lot this year, to jump in and do a bike ride that long, it's ambitious.
I'll take a picture.
Okay.
Memory of this lady who fell off that trestle in 1995.
No, I think. We're back at the hotel. So we're parked right here. And where's my car? Well, my car is over there. The superchargers are right over here, just down past that north entry door. So we'll pop my car on the charger while we go out for supper. And then we're gonna come back and get warmed up in the pool in the hot tub. Got a good chill on that hill. Today, with the temperatures what they were, we probably should have dressed a little warmer. It said it was going to be a high of 17, which if it got to that, it would have been perfect because you don't want it too hot when you're biking. You don't want it too cold. It was too cold, and it was only because of the way we were dressed. Like there's people with puffy jackets and earmuffs, and they were really dressed for winter. But we did good. We had ate some when we ate out there. That warmed us up a bit, and then it was, I think, a bit more of an uphill on the way back than it was on the way out. I don't know. It's hard to say, but I just felt warmer. Maybe the sun was shining on us more because it had moved on the way back than going out. Beautiful ride. If you ever get the chance, Myra Canyon, the ride is awesome. Bring your own bikes. Don't leave them attached to your car. Hide them in your hotel room or whatever. But the ride, incredible. Like I said, I think we're going to try and do this every year if we can. It's so nice. Okay, we're gonna go have some nice family time at dinner. Hope you enjoyed the scenery. Beautiful stuff out there. I'm so glad they restored it. The fires destroyed a lot of those trestles and they built them all back. So that's a huge nice thing to have back. So, okay, we gotta go because we're starving.